In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Mazda 3. It's located inside your wheel well. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts to take the wheel off. Make sure you have a hand on it. Remove your wheel. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to take out this push pin. May need a pick or a flathead to get the rest out. So now we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove these bolts. Our vehicle is being held together with zip ties. Yours probably isn't. You're going to take out the bolts down here, most likely a 10mm socket. I'm going to cut my wire tie. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the under bolts for this inner liner. There should be 4 underneath here. We have 2. And then there's 1 here and 1 here. Using a Phillips head, we're going to remove these push pins. You're going to need to pry them out after you unscrew them. Now we're going to pry out the fender liner. I'm going to push this way and then down. Now you can take out your final push pin. Now you can remove that completely. We're going to start with putting our fender liner in the wheel well. Push it this way to get it under this lip. Get it past your strut. Get it inside this lip and between the bottom of the car. I'm going to start by putting these push pins in. your flap up before you put your push pin in. There's only one push pin right here, and these are bolts. Snug them up. We're going to put our grommets in along this fender on the other side. Now we're going to put our screws in on the bottom. All right, and lastly, we are going to replace the zip tie that I had to cut off since our engine splash shield fender liner is broken. Cut the excess off. Install your wheel. I like to walk my wheel on using this bottom lug nut and then tightening in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheel to 85 foot-pounds in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.